In Spanish, in the syllables ge and gi, the letter U is silent, and that's why we say guerra and guitarra instead of güerra and guitarra. The two dots on top of the U are a diacritic mark called dieresis or crema that indicate that we need to pronounce it. You can find it in words such as vergüenza, bilingüe, pingüino, piragüismo, and more. La diéresis is not an umlaut because it doesn't change the pronunciation of U. Listen to this: nicaragüense, cigüeña, lingüística, agüita. The sound is still U. Umlauts, on the other hand, change the pronunciation of the vowels they affect. And I say vowels because it's not limited to U. When Spanish students find out about this special character, they wonder why there's no diéresis in the syllables gua and wo. And the answer is very simple. In those syllables, the U already sounds. Guapa, guante, antiguo, averiguo. You see, we just don't need it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join me on Patreon for exclusive content. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.